Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject compressible fluid flow for civil services mains, IFS and GATE aerospace exam. And we are solving now some questions of oblique shock from the GATE aerospace exam. Now next question, question number 43 from GATE 2024 is shock structures for flow at three different Mach numbers over a given wedge are shown in the figure below. Assuming that only weak shock solutions are possible for attached oblique shock, which one of the following options is true? So here three figures are given in which first shock wave is just attached to the wedge and second shock wave is very much attached to the wedge and third shock wave is detached. And options are M1 less than M2 less than M3, option B M1 greater than M2 greater than M3, option C M1 less than M3 less than M2, and option D M3 less than M1 less than M2. So here out of these three, this Mach number is lowest. So Mach number is lowest, but it is supersonic, because if Mach number is lower, then the sonic velocity will be higher. So as the flow goes here, it will strike the wedge, and the sonic wave or sound wave will move in this direction. If their velocity is higher, then they will move more distance. Okay, so the wave can be detached. If their velocities are lower, then they will remain attached. Okay, if their velocity is intermediate, then it will be in between. Okay, so M3 is lowest, and M1 is in between, M2 is highest. So this is the explanation, and I will read this explanation also. For higher Mach number flow, shock wave gets attached, because higher Mach number flow means lower sonic velocity and shock wave will get attached like this. Okay, as sonic velocity is lower for higher Mach number wave, or sound wave cannot travel longer after striking the wedge, and coalescence of waves occur near the wedge, okay, or on the wedge, or they collect when the Mach number is higher. They will coalesce near the wedge, and if it is lower, then you strike away, and it is lowest here. Okay, so this is the reason. Further, if we see this theta beta diagram, theta beta m diagram, so here we can see that the Mach number is highest for this. Okay, and detached shock wave occurs when theta is more than theta maximum. So for higher Mach number, there is less chances for theta to be greater than theta max, because theta max is more for higher Mach number. So for higher Mach number, the flow will remain attached. Okay, because here we can see that the flow will get attached here when theta is, if suppose Mach number is 2, then theta is more than this theta max, then we will get this region and flow will get detached. Okay, so for higher Mach number, theta max is more, so there is less chances of detachment of flow, so flow will remain attached. Okay, so these are the two explanations. So answer is option B. Answer is D.